You beat you?
Oh, dude.
She's like, what the heck?
That's pretty good.
She just sends it.
So you can just let her stand. Just hold her stand.
Who's in charge there, Steve? You alright, man?
She's like, I'm gonna pull my hair.
She's just so Haley.
Whoa, where are you going?
That's so funny.
She want to walk on me or something?
She's trying to stand.
She'll stand on you. She'll bounce.
She wants to bounce? Is that what she wants to do? Oh my god.
She's got the biggest smile on her face, man. She's happy.
She's looking at her feet like, what am I doing?
What's wrong?
She usually grunts.
Oh,
does?
that's funny.
She's happy.
If she's going, she'll be like,
Are you serious?
yeah. We'll be in the middle of a store or a restaurant, and she'll do it. We're like, oh, crap.
Either that or she'll get really, really
She's like,
quiet.
hi.
What?
It's probably she doesn't play with your facial hair. She loves like the scrub.
It's like you're frozen. Well, she's not freaking out.
Why is she
Yeah.
like bouncing? That's weird.
Where?
She's
She's
getting...
lying.
She's just getting a leg workout. That's why she's bouncing.
Hello? Hi?
She'll climb up you.
Yeah.
I'm human, yes.
You got a big chain. She sees it.
She's like, yeah.
What you doing there? Wait, you want it?
She's mesmerized by you talking, man.
Yeah, she is.
You
Yeah.
don't like my nose?
She's like, I'm trying to get up there.
Every once in a while, she'll grab your nose and miss and take her fingers straight out. That hurts.
Trying to yank it off?
She's like, yeah, bleeding.
Oh god.
She's strong.
Mm-hmm.
I'm proud of you, Steve.
I am too.
They're not so bad.
You're like frozen though. Your shoulders are square. Legs aren't moving. Relax.
Make sure you haven't taken a breath.
That's how I was like the first week or two of having her. You would hold her and just not move because you were afraid they'd slip or something.
Yeah.
Then after a while, it's just like whatever.